Alright, we got back on the tram, Sky Tram again. This time we're heading back the opposite direction, so we're going to get a little more different footage here of the other side of the fair. Alright, right now we're just looking at a bunch of people munching out on corn dogs, Jack's French fries, catfish, and pizza. German sausage. Now here we come to the game center. For all the games you want to play, but not ever win at. And here is a famous Texas State Ferris wheel. Never rid on it, always wanted to, but it's always lines way too long. Out to see it at nighttime though, all lit up, beautiful. Alright, do not know what this crazy ride is right here, but it looks very, very dangerous. I like weird rides, but that's even a little bit too strange for me. Let's see here. Loop-de-loop roller coaster. There's a super slide. I remember one of those since I was a kid. Talk about the road burns. Well, we're about to land here, so I think I want to shut it off. And I'm heading out, so everybody have a good day. This is Chuck, reporting from the Texas State Fair.